Okay, hello guys, and welcome to Barking in East London on the London, Tilbury and Southend Railway. Over there we've got a District Line train to Upminster, S7 stock. Today we're going to be seeing services from C2C and London Underground, and with any luck some freight as well. Yeah, I decided to go with platform whatever it is today, but before I get to that, we've got a C2C service. That's 357 325 and 357 007. I think I saw. Yeah. Working a service. So the thing is, I'm just getting my phone out. From London Fenchurch Street to Shoeburyness. Nice. Whilst arriving over there is a service. I think it's from Grays to Fenchurch Street. No, it's not. It's Shoeburyness to Fenchurch to London Liverpool Street. Nice, yeah, because C2C goes to Liverpool Street on weekends. Nice. And departing here is the service from London Fenchurch Street to Shoeburyness. $357,007 at the back. Over here is I'm fairly certain that's a Hammersmith City line. It says not in service. It says not, yeah, as you can see, not in service. Not really sure what that is. It's either Hammersmith City line or District line. We're going to see this service to Liverpool Street soon. Okay, now departing is the C2C service from Shoeburyness to London Liverpool Street. $357,018 and $357,005. Next stop for that is Stratford. Nice. Okay, departing Barking, London Underground service. I'm going to tell you that that is a District Line train from Upminster to Richmond. Brilliant track joint sounds. That's pretty much it. You haven't got the best view from here. So yeah, that's off to Richmond. Nice. Okay, approaching is a District Line train to Upminster, S7 stop. Obviously there's no real-time trains for London Underground, so I can't really tell you where it's come from. But it's probably going to be either Ealing Broadway or Richmond. Possibly Wimbledon, but I'm not sure about that. Nice. Okay, departing Barking, another London Underground service. This one is a Hammersmith City line. No, it's not, it's a District line to Ealing Broadway. Very nice. As well as a C2C service from London Fenchurch Street to Grays. We've got 357,045. And that's the only unit. $357,045 towards Grays. Finally, got a service. Well, finally for this clip rather, from Shoeburyness to London Fenchurch Street, 8-car service, 357-211 at the front. Nice. Okay, departing Barking is a pair of 357s from Grays to London Fenchurch Street. Sorry, did I say Grays? No, Shoebury-Ness. 357 211. And 357034. Whilst also arrived is a District Line train to Upminster. Nice. (710-262). That is a London Overground service from Barking Riverside to Gospel Oak, which is how I got here. Well, I got the London Overground. And swiftly after we've got another District Line train, this one to Richmond. Off that goes. Nice. Making those sparks as well. Okay, now approaching is a London Overground Class 710 Aventra. London Overground service from Gospel Oak to Barking Riverside. Formed of 710-261. And at the same time is a Hammersmith and City Line train to Hammersmith. Starting here. Nice. Okay, now approaching is a pair of C2C 357s from London Liverpool Street to Shoebury-Ness. 357010 at the front. And 357204 at the rear. Derek Fowlers. That's the name on the side of the train. I will, by the way, in this video be missing out London Underground a bit to focus more on C2C and London Overground because my camcorder battery life isn't long. I haven't got much left to record, so I'm going to leave out London Underground a bit and focus more on the mainline services. For example, this one, which has just come from Shoebury-Ness and is bound for London Fenchurch Street. So, C2C service from Shoebury-Ness to London Fenchurch Street. 357313. And trailing is 357208. Nice. Fast approaching is a Hammersmith and City Line train terminating here. A 7 stock. Very nice. That will run around and it will go onto the other platform, platform 6. Whilst this service, which is another Hammersmith and City Line train towards Hammersmith, London Underground. Nice. Okay, emerging out of the tunnel onto platform 4 is a C2C rail service to Shoebury-Ness. (357-021) and 357-312. From London Fenchurch Street to Shoebury-Ness. Note that the PIS dot matrix indicator on the train says Shoebury rather than Shoebury-Ness. Not sure why. There is enough space to say Shoebury-Ness, but everyone gets the idea, I assume. Anyway, that's off to Shoebury-Ness from London Fenchurch Street. Nice. And leaving towards Shoebury-Ness is a pair of Electrostars, the oldest ones, the oldest Electrostars. At the same time, there is a district line to Upminster arriving. There's underground every 1 minute here. Every single minute you're going to see an underground, whether that's Hammersmith and City line or district line. But anyways, that's off to Upminster. Nice. And earlier there was a district line turning to Ealing Broadway. And this, remember this one, 357204? This has been here for like 6 minutes, and I'm not really sure why it's still stable here at Barking. There's probably a problem with the train. That should have been long gone towards Shoebury-Ness. And at the same time, a London Overground service to Gospel Oak is departing. 710-257, the one we saw earlier. Nice. Next stop is Woodgrange Park. Okay, crawling its way very slowly, gently, towards Barking Platform 7 is a London Overground service from Gospel Oak to Barking Riverside. That is formed of 710-271. As well as another district line, I believe, arriving on platform 6, and a C2C service from from Grays to London Fenchurch Street. Ken Bird, 357201. Going to curve its way, going uphill towards Fenchurch Street. Oh no, it's not coming uphill. It's actually just going to go down there, cross underneath that section, and continue on its way to Fenchurch Street. Nice. Okay, departing Barking. On the far left, there's a London Underground service to Upminster District Line. We've got a Hammersmith and City Line service to Hammersmith, starting from Barking. And more importantly, that was 357043 and 357328 working a C2C service from London Fenchurch Street to Shoebury-Ness. Again, so many services. This one, however, is going via Upminster and Leindon. There are some that go via Purfleet and Grays and Dagenham Dock. Those ones are on platform 7 and 8. The ones that go on the main line are on platform 4 and 5. Nice. Okay, you might not see it just yet, but before we see it, we're going to see this service towards Shoebury-Ness depart from London Fenchurch Street, 357328. Nice. And now it's arriving in. Got another C2C service, Electrostars, from Shoebury-Ness again. Yeah. Yep, Shoebury-Ness to London Liverpool Street, 357002 at the front. Nice. Okay, departing is a district line service from Upminster to Ealing Broadway. As well as a district line to Upminster on the far right. I believe that's platform 1. I think it is. Platform 1 or 2. Down there. Yeah, district line train to Upminster. And departing also here, platform 8, is a C2C service from Shoebury to London Liverpool Street. And 357023 trailing. Very nice. Now this one's going to go on the gradient, cross over the main line, continue on the London Overground section up to Wanstead or Wood Grange Park, then join the Great Eastern main line towards Forest Gate, Maryland and Stratford, which is its next stop. Nice. Okay, fast approaching. It's a District Line train to Upminster. Making some lovely sparks. That should emerge somewhere down there. There we are. Brilliant. Really good zoom and focus. Nice. At the same time, we've got a District Line train starting here and going towards Wimbledon. You can see the entire length of the train. Nice. Fast approaching is a C2C service from London Fenchurch Street to Grays. Being bold. That was the District Line train to Richmond. This is a C2C service, Electrostar 357042 from London Fenchurch Street to Grays, and a District Line service towards Upminster on the far platform. Loads of District Line trains today. Nice. Okay, approaching is a pair of Electrostars once again, working a C2C service from Shoebury to London Fenchurch Street. Haha, no bowlage this time, London Underground. I will see this. As you can see, 357004 leading. I think this is 8 cars, let me just double check. Yeah. 8 cars. Nice. Okay, approaching is a terminating here Hammersmith and City Line train, whilst another Hammersmith and City Line train. That's a Hammersmith and City Line train to Hammersmith. The one over there is, it says not in service. That is a Hammersmith and City Line train terminating here from Hammersmith. And we're going to be seeing this Electrostar soon. Leave soon. Well, as I say that, it is going to leave. And there's a London Overground service to Gospel Oak from Barking Riverside over there. 710-261, but more importantly we're seeing this. That's 357002 and 357012 to Fenchurch Street. Arriving here is a London Overground service from Gospel Oak to Barking Riverside. This is 710-264. Very nice. And on that note, I will end it here. Thanks very much for watching Trains at Barking, guys. If you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe. Check the links out to the Discord down below. Maybe in the comments you want to suggest a station, preferably the London area, or I can stretch out as well. that you'd like me to train spot at. Really interesting station that you think is worth going to. And on that note, from Barking, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye bye for now.